It's Billy J, and we're just on vacation, so we're just hanging out at the motel. My sister's Lala sleeping. My mom's in the bedroom with her, and my Uncle Rob's sleeping. We go see if my Grammy is. And my Grammy's sleeping too. So almost everybody's asleep, except me and my mom. So while he's asleep, we're gonna go rollerblading, okay? I'm watching Cartoon Network right now. Not much going on. Just came in for a quick video. Everything's okay, except the way, we have 2 bedrooms. My other one has my toys, my wrestlers, and my rollerblades are in there, socks. Not that much going on. That's all. And I got to use my sneakers in there. My sneakers in here.
What's one mine, Mom?
Oh, I didn't pack sneakers.
What's one mine?
I might not be able to go on a ride. Right, Mom?
You'll be able to go on all the rides, boy.
Okay, good. So,
It's the boardwalk. Nobody wears sneakers to the boardwalk.
okay, good. Not much is happening. But we're here, just swam in the pool, got out. And we are in Seaside. We're in Seaside. Sea Garden Motel. There's not much going on. Just wanted to check in. Just wanted to see if you guys want to check in on me. The only thing wrong with this place is it doesn't have no microwave. That's a problem. There's no other problem except the microwave. Wait, no, there is a problem. The air conditioner barely even cools this place. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rooms. That third room is the bathroom. You all know we have to have a bathroom. Everything's okay. So, bye guys. See you soon. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. So, bye. And this is Boy J. Peace.